Hi friends, good evening. Meera Chawla here. This is my second video. I am making a dessert sweet dish today dedicated to my teacher Asha ji. Here I have added sugar to the milk and I am just letting it boil, and I have added custard powder to this milk and I have kept stir it so that the lumps are not formed. I have added the custard powder and boiling it, stirring it continuously. I have added sugar to it also, to the milk, and I boiled it earlier, and I added the custard powder and I am stirring it continuously so that the lumps are not formed. And then we'll keep this to cool and we'll proceed further. My custard sauce is ready and waiting for it to cool. You can see the water is boiled and the sugar has melted. This is actually to soak the cake. It's an eggless cake which has been made at home, and I'm going to soak this with the sugar syrup. Now while my sugar syrup is getting cold here, I am planning to now put this mangoes in the mixie and blend in. The mango, I have beaten it up in the mixie and you can see the pulp. I have added very slight milk, you can say around 1 tablespoon. And the cake is already made here. This is an eggless cake which is baked at home. And here my custard sauce is ready. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to soak the cake in the sugar syrup. Now I'm going to soak the cake in sugar syrup, which is a homemade cake, and my custard sauce is ready. The cake, I'm pouring the sugar syrup on the cake so that the cake is soaked up properly. You can see it's nice and spongy. Now I'm going to add some custard sauce to the mango pulp and whisk it up. You can even do it with the hand beater, or you can do it in the mixie itself. You can see the texture, now it's whisked very well. Now I'm going to pour it on the cake. You can add some fresh cream also to it if you wish to. Since it's mango season and mangoes are nice and juicy nowadays, so this is a nice dessert. Here I have some mango pieces which I will top it up. So friends, my sweet dish is ready, my dessert. It's simple and nice. You must try it. It's nutritious, healthy and very simple to make, and you all will love it and your family will enjoy it too.